So you think that's funny, do ya? No, wait! Stop! Don't cry!
Hey, Zenjiro, something's wrong with that last take. They need it again.
This is just not my day.
My kids.
Please forgive us. We weren't able to bring you guys any food either.
It's okay, Mother. And honestly, I'm not even that hungry right now. Really? Sorry, I can't help it. Come on, you have to do better than that. I'm trying.
I'm so sorry, children.
Thanks for believing in me, Master. The truth is, it's having people like you in the world that keeps me from going crazy every day. This is all the money I have left. What do I do now?
There's one thing in my favor right now. My drunk ass just so happened to pick the bondage room. Damn it. I'm starving. And exhausted. Ah, hell.